Oh, rejoice for the world. Peace and love. Oh, mighty disco. Oh, peace and love on Russia and Ukraine and all of them. Peace and love, oh, disco. Oh, I hope you're doing fine. I hope you're discoing. I'm sorry what's going on now in the world. I really hope and wish the best for everybody. I love everyone. I love them all. I love the Russians. I love the Ukrainians both equally. I hope they make peace. Okay. Going back to the market. This is a market brief, and I am still bullish on equity and bullish on risky assets, as I said before, and I missed the bottom two days ago, and I apologize for that. And I'm hoping I got the bottom right now. Okay, this is the VIX in the daily time frame, and you can see if you're Kareem and Abdul-Jabbar. I know I stated yesterday on Twitter that there is a bearish divergence between the VIX and the Dow Industrial, which is bullish for stocks, bearish for the VIX. Okay, so the Dow Industrial made a low and a lower low, yet the VIX made a high and a lower high with a reversal candle today. The VIX is no longer. It's gone. The fear is gone. Okay. This is the 2 hour time frame. And okay, now we have a negative divergence, which is like a bull trap in the VIX. Bearish for the VIX, bullish for the market. And you have that RSI rule. You have an overbought RSI and you fail to go overboard again, which makes it a top. I discovered this some times ago and I'm sharing it with you guys. Okay, good deal. The same is true with the stochastic. We are waiting for this confirmation, and if it does happen this way, we will have the beautiful disco combo of the three major indicators. Okay, TLT, the ETF for bonds. It's making a reversal candle right here. You open at 139.10 and you close at 136.25, and this is reversal. It's not good. Sometimes you might think the bond bulls would think, well, because of the turmoils in the world now, we might not have 50 basis points in the next meeting. We might have less rate hikes. It's a long story. It could happen. Yet for now, risky assets prevail. So no TLT for me. Okay, Bitcoin. Beautiful. As I stated before, I always use Bitcoin and cryptos to measure the risk appetite. If the Dow makes a low in Jan 24th and a lower low in Feb 24th, yet this mighty crypto did not, in actuality, it made a higher low. That tells me risky assets would prevail. So I talked about the VIX, the 2 hour time frame, and the daily TLT, Bitcoin. Let's talk about IWM. Oh, Madonna mia. Good deal. What a beautiful, beautiful. Look at the candle. Oh my God, have mercy. Look at this beautiful candle. Oh, golly. Whoo! Talk about an equal low with a beautiful candle like this one. Oh my God. I did buy IWM today, as I stated it to Jane and Sean, my Goomba. Shout out to Sean and Jane and Twitter. I bought it right here. All right. I bought the IWM and I am feeling good. I made money when everybody's panicking. So you have a low, an equal low, low and a higher low in the RSI. And you remember my RSI rule. It's a higher low, which makes it a bottom. Okay. And not only that, you have a bullish stochastic, but didn't come out of oversold, and a bullish MACD with a kiss formation, which is the most beautiful thing for me. So once this bad boy goes over 50, bullish MACD, stochastic over 21 or 20, Madonna mia. You're gonna have a disco combo, and we're gonna be making money, y'all. Beautiful. This is the daily time frame for the IWM. Let's look at the weekly time frame, even though the week is not over. Oh my God! Look when people. Oh God! And when people doubt technical analysis, I always get upset, but it's okay. So, the low of July 19th. B is the high of November 8th. C is the low of Jan 24th and Feb 24th. It is 162 Fibonacci extension. And I always say this Fibonacci extension always provide volatility. If the trend is down, the volatility is the opposite trend, which is up, and good luck. In addition to that, in the weekly time frame, we found buyers at a 38% Feb retracement from this low to this high, exactly there. In addition to that, we found buyers at the lower end of the Bollinger Band, which makes it a beautiful trade for mean reversion. In this case, the 20-week moving average, which is this number right here. God, it's always beautiful to treat yourself as a computer with zero emotion. Just focus and forget about the news and forget about all this stuff. It is weird how every time these things happen, people just start panicking and think the world is over. The world is not over. Don't listen to them. The good people prevail, and the world will stay, and it's going to be really, really beautiful. Since I am here, let me look at gold. Okay, so I talked about TLT. Let me talk about GLD. I like them apples. Okay, let's look at GLD. See what happened there. Breakout mode, but not for me. Not for this guy. Oh, God, what an ugly, ugly, disgusting candle. It found sellers at the higher end, and it made an ugly bearish engulfing. Yet, I'm very bearish on gold, by the way. Yet, maybe the gold bulls would keep on buying in the fundamental idea that the Fed is not going to raise interest rate as much. So you might retrace, and it might not be a collapse. Yet, I'm not going to be buying gold for some times until it proves itself. So the gold bulls, as I said, will say, well, now we're going to have less rate hikes. That means we have to reevaluate gold based on that. But I am very bearish now, but it's not the end of the world for gold. And please do remember that we don't take sides, even though, I hate politics, but we love them all. We love everybody. We love every single person in the world, and we just don't. I don't want to talk about politics. I don't want to talk about war. I talk about love. I talk about disco, and please if you like, share, subscribe. And do remember that disco is forever. It's love forever.